is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what are his or her, your partner, your lover, your twin flames' current feelings about you and their love messages for you, what they want to say. So friends, many of you requested this reading, so here it is now. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. I post every day 3 to 5 readings, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. If you have already subscribed, many angel blessings. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it is going to help you out in some way. Also friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful Queen of Coins. Option 1. You can think of a person, any person you have, your lover, twin flame, any person you want to know how they are feeling. It could be a crush, it could be a lover, a twin flame, ex-lover, husband, wife, ex-husband, wife, anyone. So option number 1 is this Queen of Coins. Option number 2, the Queen of Rods. She's beautiful, isn't she? Option number 3, the King of Rods. He is lovely. Look at him. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose the number that you have chosen. You can also choose different piles for different people, friends, not a problem. And we will look with the love messages, intimate messages from your lover. We'll also look at that. For those who chose option number 1, let's see how your person is currently feeling. The Queen of Coins, if you chose this card, this is your advice for the relationship. Let's see how your person is feeling. Oh my God, transformation, the Empress, the Four of Pentacles, the Lovers. Oh my God, you have 3 major arcanas. I'm keeping this separate a little from the pile. 6 of Cups, the Fool, Yin and Yang, number 22, number 21, 22. Oh my God, 21, 22. What's going on, friends? This is interesting. Very interesting. I hope you can see the cards. That's better. Oh my God. Friends, this person is definitely your twin flame, or you both are very important soulmates. This is an important relationship in your life, I feel. Okay, this is a general reading, but let me start like this person knows you are their soulmate. If you think this person doesn't know who you are in their life, no, this person knows you are their twin flame, you are their soulmate. I think this is an old connection for most of you, like you have known this person for 6 months, 6 years, 7 months, 7 years, maybe more than that also, 10 years, 12 years. You have known this person from a long time, or you have that innocent connection and trust on this person. They also have that trust on you. I feel you both know each other. Some of you also know this person from your childhood, or you may have grown in the same city or studied in the same school, I feel, or colleges. I feel currently you both are not in contact. There is a separation in this relationship. I think there has been an ending, or there is a no contact situation right now. I feel also that you have an age gap in this relationship, a significant age gap, like this person could be younger than you, or you could be younger than them. I feel your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel you are like opposites, because you have the yin and yang card. So you are opposites in some way. You are like, the south pole and the north pole of the magnet, same sides of the, different sides of the same coin. I also feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But definitely earth and water energy is very strong. So how is this person feeling? Oh my God. I think this person and you had an ending and they are not happy with it. This person is suffering. I feel they are suffering in silence because there is no communication card here. This person is suffering in silence. They are not happy about the ending they had with you. I think this person is keeping their feelings hidden, close to their heart. They are not telling you how they feel, how much they miss you. I think this person may have chosen work, or maybe I feel like this person is an introvert. They don't talk much. Maybe they are an introvert, they don't talk much, and that created, I feel like this person has, maybe there, I don't know, this person created a wall between you and them, or there is right now a misunderstanding, a wall between you and this person. And they are suffering in silence. They want to offer you this rose, but somehow this person isn't saying a word. So this reading is very important because we will look at these messages from your person. Here they are, my own written messages. We're gonna look at them also because this person isn't saying anything. So it's important what they want to say to you. I feel this person sees you as their wife, as someone who is as their husband or their wife, someone who is quite, you are an inspiration in this person's life. This person looks up to you. They respect you. You have nurtured or loved this person a lot, like a mother, like a friend, like a sister. It's like many roles you have fulfilled in this person's life. And this ending has been terrible for this person, your person. Your lover is not at all feeling happy with this ending, and I think it was a very, very, whatever happened between you two, maybe an argument or something, it was tough. It was like, just sudden cutting off the, it was like cutting off the umbilical. It was like you cutting this thing away in one go, and it was sudden, and it just came as a shock to you. It came as a shock to them. I feel this person has a lot of sexual chemistry and passion towards you, and you may have doubted their love because of this. They still feel very attracted to your body, to your charm, to your energy, to your aura, to your love. This person loves your hair, your eyes, the way you smile. I feel this person has, if he's a man, he has long hairs and he likes to gym. I can see someone on a treadmill, whether it is a man or a woman, I don't know, but I can see someone gymming, doing push-ups, pull-ups, so someone is into fitness and all those things. I feel it is your person. I feel like maybe it was this sexual attraction or this overload of passion that you felt like this was just a passionate connection, nothing else, a lust, not love. I feel what's happening currently, they see you doing very, very well in your life. This person, your lover, is seeing you doing very well in life, achieving things, being guided, being protected. They see you as an angel, and I think somehow they are a little scared of you. And also I feel they feel more attracted towards you, they feel more love towards you. This person has shared their passion with you but not their love with you, and they are right now strategizing how to write or tell you or share this love with you. This person don't know how to share their feelings or express their feelings. I feel they are trying to make a path or create a plan to win you back. I feel number 21, 25, 23, 26, 10, 11, 13 are important. I also feel February, March and June or July is important also. I feel this person wants a new start with you. They definitely want a new start with you, and they want to bring things in balance with you, but they don't know how to create this balance. I feel this person may have some mood swings, like sometimes their mood swings or their emotions are intense. I feel like this person can go from not feeling anything to feeling everything all at once. I think their mood shifts a lot. Sorry to say, but this person may have some sexual anxiety, like they are not comfortable, or maybe they have I don't know if I can say this or not. But yeah, I definitely feel some sexual anxiety there. They are a little imbalanced, I feel. They are trying, they are working on it, and you are somehow the missing piece in this person's life. They want a new start with you. They want a new start with you. They see you are doing very well. They are hiding, they are planning. If you have common friends, this person, or colleagues, or something like that, this person is watching your social media. They are keeping an eye on you, or they have friends who are keeping an eye on you. You may have blocked them, but I feel this person uses their friends. Or some other accounts to keep an eye on you. They see you as an angel, divinely protected, guided. This person is definitely, they they want to win you back, but they don't know how. They are planning, they don't know how. What's happening with this person, angels? Pile one's person, what are their current feelings? This person knows you are their soulmate. They love you a lot. They have some memories with you. Pictures, I see them looking at your pictures and crying, suffering. See, divine teacher. Oh my god, I told you this person is suffering in silence. This person is suffering in silence, friends. They are not even telling you how much they are missing you, how much they can't. Oh my God, sorry. See, like this, they are not able to let go of this connection, this ending, this passion. I think where you ended, when things ended between you and this person, that's the moment when they realized who you were or who you are, and then their suffering has started. It's like they were suffering, but oh my god, see, the two cards are survival. Yeah, this person has some issues right now. It's like, angels, can you give us more okay, this wants to come. Discontentment, oh my god. See, this person I told you has tough emotions or a tough life path, or maybe they had a tough journey till now and they are trying to survive. They are learning how to live without you. I also feel that this person is like, they see that you have everything, they have nothing much to offer you probably right now. So they are in survival mode. That's why they are not in contact. If you are wondering why this person loves me and doesn't call me, contact me, this person is in survival mode. They are trying to heal themselves, work on themselves right now. Discontentment. I think this person may have had, I don't think so this person knows or have experienced true love before. But with you, this person is amazed. They have never experienced a love like this. They have always been into relationships which were of convenient relationships. Maybe they formed relationships which were based on sex or love or passion, but not emotions. And here you are with this emotion, passion, love, and they feel it for you. And oh my god, this person is not used to it. So they got scared. They got scared. They are right now trying to balance themselves and get better. Let's see your advice, then we'll see what are the messages. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. So if you feel, I think your intuition is telling you something regarding this connection, that maybe it could be different for different people of you. Like, some of you may be feeling like it's time to focus on yourself. Yes, you are right. Some of you may be feeling like maybe this person will come back. Yes, you are right. They are trying to plan a way to come back to you, but right now they are struggling. They are struggling a lot. They have like survival issues, they have suffering, they They need to heal something, balance their life. Um Also, some of you may be wondering whether it is time for you to move on or take a break from this connection. Whatever your intuition is telling you, yes, it's correct, and you should act and follow it. Let's see what this person's message are for you for pile number one. What this person wants to say. I feel this person loves you a lot, and you both love each other a lot. You are like this perfect match for this person, but they are having some issues right now. Okay, two cards fell down. What else? Okay. I don't think so. This person talks a lot, so this is, I'm ignoring you, see? So you may have felt like this person wants to talk to you, but they are not talking to you. They are trying their best to ignore you. Yes, they are ignoring you. What else? I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. This person has hurted you. They did something. I think it was this issue about sexuality or passion. You thought they had other people, or they were just with you for fun, or something like that. It wasn't love. I think this person didn't express their love. They have tough time expressing their love. I can feel your pain. Please smile. Good news is on its way. Yeah, strategy. They are planning something. I will leave everyone and everything that keeps us apart. Yeah, there are things which are keeping this person away. Something they are suffering. For others, it is like this person needs to focus on money, career, other issues, balancing their emotions. This person also needs to let go of the past. Something from their past is stopping them. You are super cute. Yeah, this person finds you very cute, very charming and loving. Your words affect me more than I show. I think you have written a lot of messages to this person, and now you have taken your power back. This person definitely misses you, and they know that they want to tell you your words affect me. They have a blocked throat chakra. Oh my god. I told you this person doesn't talk. They have trouble expressing emotions. This is tough. That's why they are suffering. They are suffering in silence and other issues also. It's a very, very deep reading, friends. I can go on and on in like 15-20 versions in an extended for each one of you specifically, because it could be a different situation for all of you. So it might be better to buy a personal reading. Can you trust me again? Yeah, this person wants a new start with you. Good news is also on its way. Can you trust them again? They want to know. Anything else this person wants to say? Because they definitely don't say anything. Anything else they want to say? I feel you don't love me anymore. Yeah. Because some of you have taken your power back. You are not focusing on this person. You have decided to move away, or just for the time being. I'm seeing things clearly now. See? I told you they were not seeing things clearly earlier in the past, and that caused a lot of problems, but now they are working on themselves. They are trying to come back towards you. So friends, that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful Queen of Rods, let's see how your person is feeling about you currently. It could be your lover, twin flame, ex-lover, husband-wife, ex-husband-wife, any person, new crush, any person. If you chose pile number 2, we'll also look at the intimate love messages I have made for your lover, from your lover's side. This is your advice. We're gonna look at it in the end. Let's see your cards. Ace of Pentacles, the Star. Wow, this is beautiful. The Four of Wands, lovely. The Ace of Swords. Wow, you have two aces. This is interesting. Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Justice, and the Eight of Cups. Oh my god, how many cards? 1, 2, and 3 major arcanas you have. 2 new beginnings, blossoming abundance, and financial constraint number 13. Ooh. So I feel your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very, very much Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You both could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel your person could be a Taurus. I don't know why I keep getting a Taurus. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Taurus. I feel our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you have a lot of water energy. How is your person feeling currently? I feel someone has walked away from this relationship. It could be for some of you, I see it is you, our viewers, walking away from this person. It's like you have decided you don't want to do anything more with them. For others, I feel 50% of others, 50% of you, I feel this person has walked away from you. I feel this person has walked away and they have, sorry to say friends, but for 50% of 50% or maybe 30% of you, maybe this person has chosen someone else to get married to, or they are being forced to get married to someone else, or they are already married to someone else. So they have they are right now focusing on that. But I still feel for others of you, if this person is not married, I definitely feel someone has walked away, you or them. But it is hurting this person, this ending, this walking away, this blocking. This is really hurting this person. I feel like they are trying to not think about you right now. This person is trying very, very hard to not think about you, not I think this person thinks about you very often, like all day, all night. But right now, they are like, no, I'll not think about it. I'll not think about it. I'll focus on my work. I'll focus on my money. I'll focus on my creativity, but I'll not focus about him or her. I feel this person wants to marry you, or they wanted to marry you. Commitment, marriage, moving in, living in together, all those things caused a problem in this connection. There is some issue regarding commitment and marriage, or just like, it's like you both are equals and you both are very equals, but like, you wanted something else, they wanted something else. So that caused a problem. Right now, this person is focusing, I see, on their money, on their career. If this is a young person, they are focusing on their career, their next job, maybe their education. Maybe you are in colleges, so this person is focusing on getting a job first rather than love right now. I also feel they are focusing on starting a new business or a new project. Maybe some of them, I told you, for 10-20% of you, maybe this person has to get married to someone else because they were forced to, or because of their family, or difference in cultures and religions. I also feel this person knows they did you something wrong. The way they treated you was not fair. If they blocked you, if they left you, maybe this person promised you marriage or engagement, or they promised you to be there. Whatever they did, they know they were not right and they regret it. For some of you, I feel this is someone new, entirely a new person, someone you have recently met, someone who like you have met like 1 year or 1 month ago and you are talking to them right now. This person likes you a lot. If this is a new connection, they like you a lot. They feel like you are very creative, you are very beautiful, you are very charming, you are like a dream come true to this person. You could have met through work or online social media, and I feel this person views you as long-term potential. They want to meet you. I feel you both are in different cities, so this person definitely wants to meet you face to face, and they definitely want. I feel you have met this person, or they may have had an ending in a relationship, or you had an ending in a relationship. So if you are really, really single, and this is a new person, definitely this is how it is. They like you, they want to they like you, they feel like you are a dream come true, they want to win you, and they move towards you, and they want to protect you also. But for others, I see, like for majority of you, this is a connection there where someone has walked away and now they are focusing on their career. They still dream about you, they still think about you, but they are trying to focus on their work to forget you. I feel like this person wants to write a letter to you or a message, or like they write often in their diary or something. Or maybe this person is a singer, musician, an artist. They make something for you, but then they don't show it to anybody. There are some issues about marriage. There are also, it's like this person wants to come towards you. Their heart says go and make that move, make that call, show the love, but their mind says no, 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 this will be like you will reject them, or you have done them bad. Like they think like they have treated you badly. Good Lord, blossoming abundance. This person's focus is on money, 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 money. I think this person doesn't feel very secure right now. They may feel like you are very successful and they are not, or they have some financial, like maybe they lost a job, or they are going through financial difficulties, so they are focusing on those issues, financial constraints. Again, I feel this person could be younger. Sorry, friends. I definitely feel they feel like they don't this person has, they don't feel worthy of this love or this connection somehow. They definitely want this new start with you, and they definitely want to offer. I don't know why it feels like maybe you have everything, or you come from a very comfortable lifestyle, so they feel like they can't offer you anything right now. They should work on their career, financial security, or they should become somebody before they come towards you. Let me just take a clarifier, angels. What's happening with this person for pile number 2? I think this person is also focusing on their creative gifts. Bravado, yeah, see, warrior guys, this person wants to prove something to you. This person is like, yeah, I'll achieve. They have a dream, they want to achieve it, and then they want to come and get you. Also, I feel like this person is very competitive. So they may have, they may have chosen someone else right now, or some other, maybe it is work, or for some of you it could be marriage. This person is married, or they are supposed to marry someone else. Discipline. See, this person is trying to hold themselves back. This person could be a teacher, or into IT. I see them writing codes, or I see them teaching, like maybe this person is into maths or physics, or something like that. This person is trying to control their feelings and their affection for you. They are actually turning their back to your love. All this love, this foundation is here. Your relationship is here, intact, beautiful. But this person, no, they don't want to focus on it. Or maybe they are forced, like they have some problems in their life. Legal issues, could be marriage, could be children, it could be anything, a soul contract, a past life relationship. Something is stopping this person. I feel it is different for all of you, but something is there. What's stopping this person, angels? What's happening with the pile number 2's person? Victory. Yeah, this person is trying to win, and then they are going to come back and share their feelings for you. I definitely see they want some patience from you, and some uh, support from you, although they are not behaving in a way which is very supportive or very nice, but they want you to be supportive. I also feel this person is very competitive. They don't want to be second in anything. If they felt they were second in your life, they would run away. This person is very competitive. Let's see your advice, then we'll look into the love messages. Treasure chest, an unforeseen windfall of new abundance comes to your way, to you now. Wow. An unforeseen windfall of new abundance come to you now. I think something is going to happen which was not expected by you in this connection. That's going to happen. Maybe this person will call you, message you, or something regarding this connection is yet not clear to you. There is some missing information, like something is missing, it's not clear to you. It will be clear in the coming time, so keep your eyes open and your mind open. Something will be revealed, I feel. Let's see. Maybe this person will call or message you. For some of you, I think, yeah, this person might call you, message you, or some friends or their people might tell you something like, see, they are doing this, that's why they are busy, they can't call you right now. Maybe they are looking after their parents, their family, or maybe this person is a doctor, a healer. See, I told you this person is dreaming about you. They are trying to avoid you. They are trying their best not to think about you. Option number 2, what they want to say. Option number 2, what they want to say. I'm trying to work things out on my side. See what this person wants to say. Okay. I keep dreaming about you. I told you this person is dreaming about you. They love you. This person is actually, if they are not in contact with you, it is because they can't live without you. They think about you. They just want to grab you, marry you, live with you. This person is actually turning their back because they are trying to, where is that card? Discipline, love. See, they are trying to they are very logical. Very logical and very competitive. This person is trying to discipline or logicalize love. I don't know if that's a word. Rationalize. Yeah, this person is trying to rationalize love. Let's see what else they want to say. Your words affect me more than I show. So yeah, there is something said, some misunderstanding. They know they have hurted you and you are angry. I feel anxious and depressed. Yeah, maybe this person is having anxiety about finances or money or social standing in life. The universe is aligning our union. Definitely the star is here. So your wishes regarding this connection is coming true. You also have the treasure chest and unexpected windfall. So something unexpected or good news will come your way. My soul needs time to heal. Definitely, they are working on some other issues in life for right now. I'm trying to work things out on my side. Yeah, if this person is married or they are stuck in some legal issues or child's, custody, or even if they are a student or working for their finances, they need some time. I fear you will reject me if I come again to be with you. I told you, Justice. I told you, dears. This person is like, nah, and they are not. They don't like to come second, friends. If you reject them, it will hurt their ego. I'm scared of the intensity of this connection. Yeah, this is an intense connection. They feel very connected to you. I read all your text and messages, but I don't reply. Wow, they read everything you are telling them or saying to them. Angels, anything else? Final messages from this person. Okay, two dropped out. I can't tell you how I live without you every day. That's exactly what I've been trying to tell you all this. Thank you, angels, for confirming. This person can't live without you, and they are trying their level best to not look at your pictures, not, just right now. I think this person right now wants to grab you and kiss you and take you in their arms. They just can't live without you. Solar plexus issues. This person has some confidence issues. They may show they are very strong, but they are not, or they are going through some issues right now. I think things will get better with time because universe is aligning your union. So yes, that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. And do subscribe, friends, if you haven't already. I post daily 3 to 4 times, so make sure to subscribe, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. For those who chose option number 3, this beautiful King of Rods, let's see how your person is feeling. This person could be anyone, your crush, your lover, twin flame, ex-person, husband, wife, ex-husband, wife, anyone you know, friends, even a friend or a colleague, you can use it for them. And this is your advice. We'll also look at the love messages from your person. Here are the messages. Let's see your cards. The 10 of Wands, the 10 of Pentacles, 10, 10. The 5 of Swords, the 3 of Cups, the 7 of Pentacles, the Moon, and The Wheel of Fortune. This is beautiful. All tied up. Number 23 and number 1, the Sun. I feel this is absolutely a twin flame connection for some of you, or this person is a very strong soulmate of yours, friends. Wow, this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a very strong Pisces or Scorpio energies here. Or you, our viewers, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this person could also be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Capricorn, Cancer, you could be Capricorn and Capricorn or Cancers. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow. How is your person feeling? Good Lord. They are feeling all over the place, friends. All over the place. I feel this person has cheated on you, or they have broken your trust. They are not telling you something. They are right now hiding something from you. Sorry to say, don't get triggered, friends. I'm sorry for that. But that's how it is coming. Maybe for 50% of you it is true. For others, I feel something. Trust issues are active in this connection very much. It is like when this person says something, like this person, you can't trust this person very easily. It is like they are very sneaky, or they play some mind games, or you feel like when they say something you are like, this person is hiding something. What's going on with this person? You definitely have some trust issues with this person, in either now or in the past. I also feel this person, this relationship has gone through a very tough phase. Maybe an ending, or maybe right now you feel like this relationship has become very tough. You are carrying all the weight of this relationship. This person is doing nothing. I feel like one person is feeling like, they are walking with the weight, and the other person is just like flying free as a bird. So someone is on the ground, the other person is flying like a bird. I feel this person is definitely your twin flame. You both are twin flames. This person is trying to run away right now from this connection. I feel like that the more you are trying to chase this person, the more you are trying to tell them how much you love them, how much you care for them. You are destined to be, I think you are saying these things to this person. You are destiny, we are destined, we are made for each other. Where are you going? This person is like, nope, 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 nope. I don't know, baby. I don't know, baby. I'm not sure, baby. This person is being very defensive. When you talk to them and ask them what's going on, instead of telling you the truth, they might start fighting or arguing, or you feel like this person is arguing, fighting. I think they are trying to run away. You are trying to chase them, they are trying to run away. Also, there are some trust issues. You feel like this person is the heartbreaker. They have broken many hearts. Oh my god. I feel you both could be like, you have common friends, or like this person is very popular in their school, college, office, on social media. They are very talkative, they are very chatty. So, there is a lot going on. You feel this person is like, oh, they have time to talk to this person, but they don't have time to talk to me. I see that. Oh God. Oh dear. And this person, when you ask them, they kind of, instead of telling you the truth that they are just, I think this person tries to irritate you. I don't know why, but it's coming like they find it, they like to, when you chase them, they like it. It's mean, but yeah, they like it. What can I do? It's coming like that. They like it when you are running after this person. I also feel they have friends or family which are trying to talk about you or telling them things about you. There may be like this person's mother or their father or someone in the family is telling them something, or their cousins, their friends, their social circle is telling them something. So I feel like you both may have common friends, so there is that is affecting this relationship. I also feel this person is feeling very right now they are in the mood to take some focus on friendships, just being a light-hearted energy. They don't want to do something very drastic right now. They don't want to. I think this person is actually. So your question is like, um, are they casual person? No, they are not. They are very dependable, but right now I feel this person is a little tired. They are a little, you know, some days you want to play, you want to have some fun, relax, and not like take a lot of burdens, because I feel this person is used to burdens in their life. Like this person may be the only child, or this person has like responsibilities, or they feel a weight on their shoulders. So this person is trying to just relax, have fun, and they like when you chase them. So this person is like, yeah, I'm having fun, and when you chase them, they are like, yeah, I'm enjoying that attention you're giving me. Huh? But this person also gets very frustrated and jealous when you have other suitors around you, when you have other people liking you. So they get very jealous. They get very jealous. Right now, also, I think you may have like, okay, you talk to others, I will also talk. Our viewers are like, I will also talk to someone now, and they are jealous. For others, I feel there is like no communication happening right now. Friends and family are affecting, external sources are affecting this connection. There is no contact, but you feel their energy. This person feel your energy. They think about you. They feel, and sun and moon is here. Look at this. This person wants to be with you. Look at this. You are perfect for each other. The sun and moon, perfect yin and yang. So it's like, this person can't live without you, and you can't live together also because you are opposites in some way. I feel friends, family, gossip, external sources are affecting this connection, and their playfulness is affecting. This person is like, yeah, I'm the boss, I'm very playful, and sometimes when they can be like, nah, nothing will work out in life. So, it's like this person is having a mix of emotions right now. When you chase them, they feel all like this happy, happy person. And when you have someone else, they feel like, oh shit, sorry friends, sorry for the bad words. Oh shoot, I have lost them. What's going on? And this person is waiting for the right time to come back into your life if you are not in contact. I think this person knows that this is just a phase you both are in, and something new will start soon with you, between you and them. And this person is really feeling caught up. They could be 23 years old, or their birth date could be 23, 10, 11, 19, 20. I'm also getting 26, 24, and 2 and 4. So yeah, I feel this person wants to come and talk to you, but they can't because of family, or because of work, or because of common friendships, or some because of like they can't right now. They are busy in work, they are busy with some other issues in life. They want to come towards you, but they can't. They are waiting for the right time. Let's see what else. What else can you tell us about this person, angels? Leadership. See, this person, Holy Spirit. This person is moving up. Yeah, this person is trying to make themselves better for you. They are definitely working on that. I feel you could be colleagues, or you have studied together, or you have some common friends or family. This person is trying to mature themselves, be more perfect for you, or supportive to you. This is what is this person feeling currently? Okay. Oh, self-esteem, guardian angel, Michael, yes. So I told you, when you chase this person and run after them, they feel like, yeah, I'm the best. And when you don't chase them, they feel like you don't love them, which isn't true. Which isn't true. Love isn't chasing or running after, right? You love them even when you don't chase them. Shadow side, divine healers. I definitely feel this person has some self-esteem, low self-esteem issues, or some like some days they feel like yeah they can overachieve, other days they feel like oh they have lost everything, so they need some support. I don't know who these people are. They are telling something to them and that is affecting their self-esteem. Someone is telling something to this person. Absolutely. How is this person feeling? Yeah, this person is taking a bit of a rest because they have some. You were like, is this casual? No, this person is not casual. They just need some time because they had been through some heavy stuff in their life, and there are people who are affecting them from all areas of life. Gifts, yeah. This person is trying to find some deeper meaning within them. This person is trying to find something which they can offer you. I think some sort of a celebration is going to happen soon. Maybe their birthday, your birthday, they want to give you something. They are asking their friends, maybe an engagement ring or something. It is a general reading, so take it that way. Just clarify. Judgment, yeah, this person definitely wants to do good to you. They don't want to be this person who has tricked you or something like that. Let's see your advice, then we go into the messages. Blessed change, a major life change bring you great blessings. I think some of you have decided to walk away from this person because you see that they are too much of a playboy or a playgirl, or right now they are too busy somewhere else. It might be a good change for some of you. For it is a 50-50. I see some of you staying in this connection and this connection getting better because you do have the Wheel of Fortune, you know. So there is a chance this connection is going to get better. For others of you, I see that you have decided that no, this is not the person for me for right now at least. I will focus on myself or finding a new person. So that is a blessed change. So definitely some important changes are coming your way, or in this connection at least. What this person wants to say, pile number 3's person, what they want to say to our viewers. Yeah, this person is not saying anything. Okay. They take a while. Still, you know, they like to be chased. They like the chasing. They like when people run after them. They must be a Leo, a Sagittarius, and Aries. Don't be offended, friends. I love Leo, Aries. I'm an Aquarius, so I love Leos. You can understand. And Sagittarius too. Let's see. You are super cute. Yeah, this person finds you very cute, very sweet. And I really wish I can be with you. Yeah, this person is running away from you. They want to be with you, but they feel this all tied up. I don't know what's keeping them stuck, but they are tied up. My soul needs time to heal. Yeah, I feel there are some heavy loads, some issues going on. We will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. So definitely for some of you friends, this person is coming back, like I said here. Oh, sorry friends. Like I said here also, blessed change. So there may be a change coming in this connection. The card says we will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. And I feel you don't love me anymore. See, some of you, this person knows exactly what you are feeling. They know how you are feeling. So some of you may have decided to move on. My life has no meaning without you. Universe is aligning our union. Yeah. I'm focusing on my career and my self-worth, and look at the synchronicity, self-esteem and self-worth. This person has some confidence issues. They may show them to the world they are very bold, they are very confident, but in reality they feel a little shaky. I need more time to think and process this. They need some time, friends. Let me just take some final messages. For now, I think you should buy a personal reading because they are getting more. I can go in detail and details, you know, so it's better to buy because all of you are different. Situations, persons are different. Might do an extended, I feel like. Let me know if you would like an extended on these readings. Mirror work, you mirror me back and it scared me. See, sun and moon, you have the sun. Here is the sun card. I told you earlier, the sun card. Here is the moon card. You are like mirrors of each other. I get so jealous when others like you and try to win you. Oh my god, friends, I was telling you exactly the same thing. This person is like, oh, they are like, I can do this, but you don't do it, right? This person loves you, friend. I pray a very happy reunion or a union for you together ahead. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, friends. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. Let me know if you like the extended. If you like me to do the extended versions of these readings. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.